Welcome, everyone. Today we will see how fresh apple juice is made inside a modern factory. First, fresh apples are selected carefully. Only the best apples continue to production. The apples are washed thoroughly to remove dust and dirt. Next, the apples are cut into pieces and prepared for crushing.
The apples are crushed to release their fresh, natural juice. The juice is filtered and blended for a smooth taste.
Samples are tested to ensure perfect quality and safety. The juice is pasteurized using controlled heat to keep it fresh longer. After heating, the juice is cooled quickly before bottling.
Now the fresh apple juice is filled into clean bottles at high speed.
Each bottle is sealed tightly to protect freshness.
Labels are added with product details and branding.
The finished bottles are packed into boxes for shipping. Finally, the juice is sent to stores and markets around the world. From fresh apples to refreshing bottles, this is how apple juice is made.